Hello everyone, this is Debayan and welcome to another video of MBA Talk. In one of my earlier videos, I talked about marketing mix. I talked about the 4 P's, 7 P's, when to use 4 P's, when to use 7 P's and defined each P's for your clarity. In this video, I will be talking about one of those P's, that is product, and I will be explaining what is product mix, what is the length of the product mix, what is the width of the product mix and the depth of the product mix. Before I begin, if you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to my channel as I come up with more and more marketing and business related videos for you. Let's get started with the video. So what is product mix? According to Philip Kotler, product mix is the range of product a seller offers. For example, a company like HUL may offer soaps, may offer coffee, may offer toothpaste, biscuits, shampoo, deos and many other things. All these products, all the range of these products will come under product mix for HUL. Width of the product. Width of the product refers to the variety of products in the particular mix. This variety is defined on the basis of a particular needs that they serve. For example, all the soaps can be put under one particular width, all the shampoos can be put under one particular width, all the coffees, all the toothpaste, all the tea and all the ice cream varieties can be put under each of the product variety. Now each of these varieties will become the width of the product mix. Now if there are 11 varieties, the width will be 11. Product length. Under a particular category, under a particular width, say soap, HUL offers brands like Lux, Lifebuoy, Hammam, Dove, etc. All these particular products that serve the same need, that serve the same benefit to the consumer becomes the length of the particular width. So length is basically the number of variety within the product width. So the length is the different types of products serving the same basic need. Suppose if there are 7 varieties of soaps that HUL offers, the length of the particular width will be 7. There could be 4 varieties for coffee, there could be 3 varieties for tea, there could be 1 variety for ice cream, there could be another 10 varieties for skincare products. So the average of all these varieties will become the average length of the product mix. To calculate the average length of the product mix, you can add all the product varieties across the product ranges and divide it by the number of width. You will get the average length of the product mix. Now what is product depth? You must have seen that within Lux there are 4 to 5 varieties of Lux. Within Lifebuoy there are 4 to 5 varieties of Lifebuoy. So within a product, the variants offered within a product, within a particular brand becomes the depth of the particular product. So the depth of the product Lux is 4, depth of the product Lifebuoy is 5, so on and so forth. So to conclude, width is the product range, length is the number of products within a particular variety, and depth is the number of variants of the same product. Now that the product width, length and depth is clear to you, there is another important thing you need to take a note of, that is the product consistency. Now what is product consistency? The consistency of a product mix refers to how closely the product lines are related to each other in terms of manufacturing, in terms of distribution, in terms of serving a particular end use. For example, all the products manufactured by HUL serve the same purpose, are bought together and are transported through the same distribution channel and are sold through the same retail channels. So we can say that the product lines offered by HUL is pretty consistent. Now HUL also has a water purifier Pureit under its portfolio, but because that cannot be sold with other FMCG products, water purifier's consistency with the other FMCG products is not that well as it is with one FMCG product to the other. So in this video we talked about product mix, product line, product length, product depth, product width and product consistency. If you want to learn about any other topic in marketing, do let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to help. And if you like this video, do press the like button and share it with your friends, colleagues, MBA students, MBA professionals, anyone you think needs to hear this. See you in my next video. Till then, take care, keep marketing.